Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo's Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. I just come from the shop. It's amazing. Outside is getting really warm and nice and beautiful. But the thing is, I went to the shop and I brought some fresh mint. Alright? This is grapefruit. Let's cut it into half to show the fans. This is grapefruit. We all know what this grapefruit is all about. Grapefruit is good for you. Got clean out your immune system and all these things, and you know what I mean. It's good for detoxing and help you to lose weight and all these things. Why you don't try this one in summer? All right. So what we're going to do? I have my jug right here. This is what I normally bring to work with me. My jug where I normally drink my water from and all these things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple grapefruit detoxing water. Can help you to lose weight and all these things. So first thing what you need to do is make sure you go to the shop and get these red grapefruit. You know, in Jamaica our one is white. But you know what I mean, this is a red grapefruit. This one is really good. You can use a Jamaican one if you are in Jamaica. You can also do the same thing. So what you're going to do, guys, honestly, it's going to be amazing, is to get a nice, lovely slice of the grapefruit like this. And make sure you have a nice, lovely, tall jug of water. This is one I'm using, going to work with at the moment. And what you're going to do, I'm going to be cutting up this into some slices like this to put inside of my jug, just like this. Alright, I'll let the guys see exactly what I'm talking about right here. So just a slice of the grapefruit for detoxing today. The next thing we're going to do is get a piece of the fresh mint, lovely and nice fresh mint, and we're going to pop this straight inside of the water. If you got any cucumber at home, very nice and good. 95% of the cucumber is water. The other rest is just fiber. So guys, it's just amazing. Then what I'm going to do is simply slice off a few slices of the cucumber, and I'm going to put it straight inside of my jug right here, just like this. Alright? See? Nice one. Then second thing, if you have any fresh ginger, you can get a little piece of a fresh ginger. Two things, you can either grate it, or you can just simple cut off a nice lovely slices like this and put it straight inside of the water like that. Alright guys, let me see. Yep, that looking good. And all I'm going to do is put in back my container inside of it like this. And then the beautiful thing is just bring this to work. Alright, bring it to work and drink it straight through the day. The weather is very, very hot at the moment. Outside is hot, outside is nice, lovely, everyone is smiling because of the weather. So in the meantime, you're doing the weather and you know what I mean, doing your things at home or at work, it's good for you to can drink this through the day. It's better for you to leave it in the jug for roughly about 4 to 5 hours. You know what I mean, that's, you can get, the cucumber can get to dissolve in the water with the grapefruit and also the ginger and the fresh mint. All of these things just detox your body and clean out your immune system. So guys, I want you to try this one at home. My name is Chef Ricardo. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me and you can get a lot more recipe. I love you all and always give you my ideas and my tips. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned and I will see you with more recipe, more ideas, more tips, more healthy recipe. I love you all.